Guys, I'm here at Home Depot again, and I'm picking up some scrap pieces. As you can see, I'm going to take these. They have these over here. All of these pieces here are scrap pieces. So I'm going to try to figure out what I want to make with this here. But as of now, I'm taking these 6 pieces. Come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey. What's up guys? Today we're going to make a jewelry box, and I want you guys to come along with me while I make this. Now, in order to do this project, you guys are going to need a miter box or a miter saw. If you're going to use screws, you're going to need a screwdriver. I'm going to use this nail gun here. So this is what I'm using, but you can use screws with this cordless drill right here. And you're going to need 5 pieces of wood. I will tell you the measurements at the end of the video. I went to Home Depot, and I tell you guys in my last video that you can go to Home Depot and get free wood, and pick up your wood and take it to the counter and let them know that it's discarded wood, free wood, and you know, all it says okay. But today we're making a jewelry box. Again, you're going to need some type of either drill or a nail gun. I'm going to take some measurements. So the size of my jewelry box is going to be the width is going to be 7.5. That's the side by 7, and my length is going to be 11 1/4 by 7.5. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I already got, this is the bottom piece here. It says the side pieces, so those are the 2 side pieces. So what I need to do now is I need to cut this part off. And again, I'm going to use my miter saw for this one here. I'm going to go off camera because it will take me some time to cut this, but I'll show you guys how I cut, just like that. So yeah, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I wanted to bring you in so you can see my Craftsman nail gun. And I love this tool, but you guys, if you use it, you're gonna have to be very, very careful with it, because the thought of it scared me for a very long time. That's why I never got it. But it's a perfect thing to have if you're going to be working with wood. If you're interested in something like this, this is my Craftsman 20 gauge with a nail kit and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in it, there you have. I just wanted to give you guys a insight or a look into you know, what I'm using here today. Let's get back to the project. First, let me show you all my mistakes. I've made a lot of them. As you can see here, the nail came through. It came through a couple of times. My measurements was a little bit off. I ain't even gonna kid you. As you can see here, it's off. Now, if I decide that I want to cut this down, which I can, then it's still going to be off because the top part is not going to be long enough. So I'm going to decide to leave that on. I'm going to use my brackets on here so it can open and close. So that's why I decided I'm going to leave it as is. I'm not going to try to cut this down because then that's going to create another problem. Again, I always tell you guys my measurements is not up to par. I've been trying for years to get it that way, but it's not. And it's still going to be a little bit crazy over here, but I'm okay with that. My hinges right across here, 3 different hinges. I'm going to have a lock in front. I'm going to sand this down. I'm going to lack it. Definitely going to stain it. I'm going to stain it. I was going to paint it white, so if my daughter want to use it in her bedroom, she can. But you know what? I decided I'm going to make this for myself.